Getting a visa or securing a green card is the first step on the journey towards the American dream. But that process can be time-consuming, complicated, and expensive.
I knew there had to be a better way to streamline this process and make it easier for both individuals and businesses.
In 2012, Romesh Badani, a Harvard-educated Indian-American millennial, launched Bridge US, a web-based program for individuals and businesses that he says cuts through the red tape at a fraction of the cost.
What we've done is we've combined software with great immigration attorneys. The software piece allows us to eliminate a lot of the inefficiencies that currently exist in the process.
Badani says the app is a fully automated, step-by-step guide for immigration papers that can minimize confusion by walking users through the process and filling out the forms as they go.
You'll see that it's a very simple interface. We ask one question at a time. You can see that we have automatically taken all the answers to your questions instead of the user or the applicant having to figure out what belongs in this form. You can either do it yourself for $150 or work with a lawyer for $400.
Bridge US charges businesses anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000, including federal filing and attorney fees. Badani, who hopes to encourage more companies to hire specialized foreign workers, says these rates offer significant savings to their clients.
Companies need to decide between great talent and going through this process. We think you should be able to, do both.
However, some immigration attorneys with experience in the field have reservations about the software.
It may work for certain individuals that have a very clean-cut, cookie-cutter case, but for the most part, I don't see, simply just based on my experience, that people are going to look at this as a panacea for purposes of completing immigration processes.
And the savings, Rojas says, may not be as great as advertised. In his view, the process is so complex, one can rarely go it alone.
Unless a company or an individual is well-versed in the immigration laws, it's extremely difficult.
Badani, however, is confident that people will be able to use the product successfully. He says thousands have already tried it, and very soon it will be available in different languages.
It's about efficiency, transparency, affordability.
Maria Santana, CNN, New York.